So in 2026, how to create a React app with the easiest method. So just create a folder on the desktop and rename it to whatever you want. I'll rename it to React and open that particular folder from Visual Studio Code. Now go to terminal, new terminal. Now type particular commands npm create void @latest. So this will download the latest white version according to the React. Now just give the project name. I'll give React dash learn. Now choose React. Now choose JavaScript. No. You can click on yes if you want a easy way, but I'll recommend you to go with no. Now go to the path CD and React dash learn, and now npm install. This will install a few of the dependencies. Wait for a few minutes. Now type npm run dev and your server has been running. Thank you very much. If you want any more videos on React, comment down below.